Hello everyone and welcome to Deano Outdoors. Are you a do-it-yourself enthusiast or perhaps a small garage owner looking for an affordable and efficient way to change your own tires? Well, look no further. Today I'll be introducing this manual tire changer adapter. It's the ultimate tool to simplify tire changing tasks. In this video, I'll show you guys how to assemble, set it up, and use this manual tire changer adapter. So let's begin. Let's get this open up, take a look at the packaging. I'll show you what's all included. It has it nicely wrapped with a bunch of packing paper. And you're gonna receive 3 pieces. All right, so the unit comes with the black duckbill pre-attached to it. Comes with your mounting bracket. And the nice feature with this mounting bracket is it is toolless. You can adjust up and down and front to back your duckbill with the simple use of these locking bolts here. And then you have the swivel arm. All right, let's head over to the tire changer. We'll get this thing set up. I'll go over the specs of the material used on this manual tire changer adapter. And then I'll show you guys how easy it can be to change your own tires at home using the Harbor Freight manual tire changer paired with this manual tire changer adapter from Roundabout Tools. All right, so I already have the bead broke on this tire. The tire that we're using today is a Castle Rock trailer tire. The size is a 205/17 R14, just for reference. The first step you need to do, if you don't have a centering cone, make sure that you get this tire as centered as possible on your tire changer. I like to use a plastic, this is a lid off of ice cream container. Set that over the top. That helps protect your rim. Now we're going to lock the tire in place. And then really snug it down tight. You don't want that tire moving. Now you're going to find the swing arm. It's just going to place over the top of your tire changer. Now locate the mounting bracket. Place your duckbill through it. Going to slide that over the top of the arm. Here's where it's important. What you want to make sure is that this piece here sits under your rim and your rim lines up inside of this groove on your duckbill. So we'll turn this around, drop it into place, press it firmly against your rim, and then we're going to lock down our brackets and snug them up pretty good. Next thing you want to do is make sure that your rim is aligned. So you're going to take and just turn this around, and it should move freely around the rim. Now we're going to apply a good amount of tire lube just on the back side of the rim here, and that's going to help that tire come off a lot easier. Now what you have to do, if you have a tire bar that works better, I'm just going to use a long flathead screwdriver. Don't touch your rim, go over the duckbill and slide it over the top and just give it a little bit of a turn. until it's seated under. Then take your tire changing bar and in a counterclockwise fashion, just walk around the tire. Repeat the process with the bottom of the tire. Over the bill, under the tail. And always in a counterclockwise fashion. And your tire's off. Go ahead and clean up your rim. Now to reinstall your tire, apply a liberal amount of tire lube to the beads, both sides. Place the tire over the tire changer. And here we're going to do it a little bit different. For this one, you want to have the bead over the tail and under the head. And for this process, you can pretty much, for the first part of the tire, you can just walk around. You don't even need the bar. It just pops right on. You want to have the bead over the tail and under the head. And I'll show you an up close here, what it's going to look like. This is how you want it to look. You're going to have the bead over the tail and under the duck head. Press down on it. If you have a tire bead holder, go ahead and place that in. That'll make the job a lot easier. Again, in a counterclockwise turning, just walk around. And your tire's on. It's that simple. You can almost use just one hand with this tire changer adapter here. It goes on so much easier. In my previous video, I showed how to use your manual tire changer using the standard bar that comes with these things. Although it works, it was a little bit of a struggle and there's a little technique to it. With this manual tire changer adapter, after doing 1 or 2 tires, this thing is so simple to use. No effort at all to get your tires on and off. I could probably change a tire just using one arm instead of both hands with this bar and just fighting the whole tire the whole time. This adapter is well worth the investment if you're going to be changing tires often. I'll go ahead and just demonstrate one more time the on and off process so you guys can get a better look at how simple it is to use. Get the bead holder out of the way. Just always remember, you're going to be going in a counterclockwise rotation. When removing your tires, the bead is going to be under the tail and over the head. For reinstalling your tires, the bead is going to be over the tail and under the head. It's really just no effort at all. Just one hand and pull and your tire's off. Reinstall it, same thing. Get the bead over the tail, under the head, install your bead holder. And it's back on. No effort at all with this manual tire changer adapter. All right, guys, now that I showed you how easy it is to remove and install your tires using this manual tire changer, let me talk a little bit about the build design and the materials used. All materials use an 1/8 inch commercial grade carbon steel with a rust-proof paint protection. The quality of this build is fantastic. You can see here. The steel used is very heavy duty, and you use quick release mounting brackets so you can adjust and remove your manual tire changer with ease, no tools required. He has 2 versions of this with and without the duckbill. All pieces are welded together. And he adds a nice little touch, adding these plastic end caps. Well, thanks for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Whether you're changing tires for your car, motorcycle, ATV, or trailer, this adapter simplifies the process, eliminating those costly needs to go to an auto shop. If you guys are interested in checking out this product, I'll have a link down in the description below. If you guys have any questions on this or how to use it, please feel free to leave them in the comment section as well. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows,